What if your AI agents could open Chrome browser, log into LinkedIn, use your account and search for AI engineers and dump everything into a CSV file without you touching the mouse once? That's exactly what Kimi WebBridge does. And the best part, it runs locally. Your login session never leaves your machine. In this video, I'll show you what it is, how it works, and a live hands-on demo. Let's go. So here's the deal. AI agents used to just answer the questions. Now they are taking actions, opening pages, clicking buttons, filling forms, extracting data across websites. Kimi WebBridge is Moonshot's AI browser extension that brings this to Chrome and Edge. But unlike cloud-based browser automation tools that spin up some remote browser somewhere, WebBridge runs directly inside your own browser using your existing logging sessions. Think of it as bridge between three things: your local AI agent like Claude or Cursor, the browser extension you install, and the website you're already logged into. Under the hood, WebBridge has three pieces working together: a local bridge service, the browser extension, and the local security isolation. Here's the flow. Your agent sends an instruction. It gets tossed the local bridge, which talks to the extension which controls the browser using something called Chrome DevTools Protocol or CDP. CDP is the same protocol Chrome uses to inspect, debug, and profile itself. So WebBridge isn't just scraping HTML, it has real operational control. It can open URLs, click elements, fill forms, take screenshots, read page content, extract structured data, and use your existing logged-in sessions. The critical design choice here is everything runs locally. Your logging state, your page content stay on your machine. And that's a huge deal for enterprise use cases such as internal dashboard, private data, and subscribed sessions. Alright, let's set this up. Here's what you will need: Chrome or Edge, the Kimi WebBridge extension, a local agent. I will be using Claude Code, terminal access, and you should be logged into whichever sites you want to automate. So let's start with the first step. Install the extension. First, head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Kimi WebBridge, and hit Add to Chrome. For Edge users, same thing on Edge add-on. Now step 2, pin the extension. Click the puzzle piece icon and pin WebBridge to your toolbar. Makes it way easier to check the connection status later. Step number 3, connect to local agent. Now open your terminal and run this command. This installs the local bridge and auto connects to any supported agents you have installed, like Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, Hermes, OpenClaw, or Kimi Code. Now, to verify, run Kimi WebBridge status. If it says connected, you are good. If not, add it to your path using this command. Now, step number 4, check connection in browser. Now, click the WebBridge icon in your toolbar. Green means connected, you are ready. And disconnected means you need to rerun the install command. Now, step 5, activate the skill. Open Claude Code or whichever agent you are using. WebBridge auto-install skills files during setup. So all you do is type /Kimi WebBridge and the skills activate. Now a quick warning before we start. Do not start with banking sites, production dashboards, or anything sensitive. Always test on public pages first. So let's start safe. Here's my prompt. /Kimi WebBridge, open the analytics with their blog homepage, find 2 recent AI agent articles, extract the title, author, last updated date, and 1-line summary into a Markdown table. If any of the pop-up appears, just reload the page and continue your work. And here it is. Clean navigation, reading, extraction, summarization, all working. Zero risky actions. Okay, now the fun one. Let's do something genuinely useful. Research automation on LinkedIn using my actual logged in session. And the prompt is /Kimi WebBridge. Go to LinkedIn and search for 2 top AI engineers in top AI companies and give me a CSV file with their names, profile URL, and all profile details. And now let's hit the enter button. Watch what's happening here. The agent is opening the LinkedIn search, visiting profiles one by one, reading the visible content on each page, extracting the structured details, and then returning a clean CSV file. Here's the CSV output. And that's it. 2 profiles, fully structured, exported to CSV using my real LinkedIn session. No API needed. But why this matters? Because analysts, content teams, product manager, recruiters, anyone who normally opens 15 tabs and copy-paste notes now just describe what they want. Now, let's discuss the trade-off. The pros are local first. Session stays on your machine. Second, works with your existing logins. Third, agent agnostic. work with Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, or more. And fourth, built on Chrome DevTools Protocol, which provides real browser-level control. Okay, now let's discuss the cons. First, Chrome and Edge only, no Safari or Firefox. Second, local setup means it is hard to scale across big teams. Third, dynamic pages with React, Shadow, DOMs, or anti-bot systems can break. Fourth, other browser extensions can conflict with it. And fifth, local first doesn't mean risk-free. The debugger API is powerful. A quick security tip: for anything serious, create a dedicated browser profile just for agent work. Use least privilege account, require confirmation before submit, delete, purchase actions. Never test on production admin dashboard. And now let's have a quick comparison so you know when to pick what. Kimi WebBridge is best when you want a local agent controlling your real browser with your real logins. Now, Playwright MCP, which is developer focused, uses Playwright with structured accessibility, snapshots, and more setup. And Browserbase, which is a cloud browser, is built for scale, but you lose the private session advantage. Different tools, different jobs. WebBridge wins when you want to use actual logged in sessions. So that's Kimi WebBridge. It's a real signal that AI agents are moving past chat windows and into your actual workflows, your browser, your tools, and your business systems. It is not perfect. Dynamic pages can break, and you need real guardrails for production use. But for research, extraction, comparison, summarization, it is genuinely useful right now. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI agent deep dives, and drop in the comment what workflow you will automate first. I have linked the full blog with all the commands and screenshot in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.